Hi there, this is your coach Ernie. Good morning. I knew that many of you are already aware of USANA. But here's a thing I want to ask all of you. Did you ever see the opportunity of USANA? Did you ever see the income potential of USANA? If not, then we would like to invite you to join the elite team of USANA Philippines. Join the elite team of USANA Philippines, and we will make it sure that you will experience success in your journey in USANA. Now, this is an invitation and at the same time challenge. Decide now and decide for yourself. Join the elite team and join USANA now. Once again, this is your coach Ernie saying, in USANA, our dreams come alive. Bye for now and God bless.